Welcome to another video from me, Ste Hamilton, and today I am joined by
Ste Hamilton
and we are here in the Valleys in Wales.
in Porth.
And we are here at our 3-bedroom mid-terrace house that we have joint ventured on together. We will be discussing the numbers at the end of the video, but for now, come inside, take a look around and see what we have purchased.
Let's go.
Add it up.
No banter. I don't think anybody can beat me at anything. And I wasn't even at first gear.
There's a lot of enthusiasm.
Add it up.
Now, we are inside the house, guys. It is a 3-bedroom mid-terrace that we purchased for, how much?
95,000.
95,000. Sahil with his family fortunes catchphrase voice on there. 95,000. Stamp duty here in Wales is 4%.
4%.
And we paid £2,000 in legal fees. We bought it cash. We have the builders here. You will see who the builders are in the weekly if you watch the weekly. And they have charged us X amount of money. We'll put it here. They are on the 5th week. And this is the first time we've seen it since we got the keys.
Yeah.
Very impressed with where they are on the 5th week. They're telling us that it might take another 3 weeks from today. So if we say another month, but it will be finished by Christmas.
So Ams now is going to show you what this house used to look like when we got the keys.
So the day we got the keys, there was a huge fireplace along that wall.
Yeah.
Grey brick, that has completely gone now, as you can see. There was kind of like a conservatory porch by the door.
Yeah.
That's gone.
Much more space now.
Much more space in this room. Ams will show you how big this lounge actually is. The kitchen, we had a massive problem with a boiler that used to be in the wall that had leaked.
Yeah, it was horrendous. When the builders took down and did the rip out,
Yeah.
it looked a bit scary.
Yeah,
Especially for someone who hadn't seen it before, I was terrified.
Well, there was a lot of
terrified.
cladding. There was a lot of cladding on the wall,
cladding.
wasn't there? So yeah, there was a lot of cladding on the wall. Come off, it started to show some hidden treasures, which
Yeah.
these guys have fixed. It's amazing. Upstairs we had wardrobes. They've been taken out. The space in the rooms now is a lot more. Bathroom, there was a boiler on the wall. They've removed the boiler to work easy, but maybe we look at putting the boiler in the loft. I don't know. That's a conversation we'll have with the builders. But yeah, we're getting there. The B-roll will show you what it looked like, and now we will have a walk through the house and show you what it's like mid-renovation.
Yeah.
And then obviously, guys, we will show you what it looks like when it's completely finished in 3 weeks.
Let's do it.
Here we are in the kitchen. Now, as you guys will see from the pictures, we had a few issues in this kitchen.
We did
the
indeed.
First one was there was a boiler in that wall and it had leaked, and the previous owners had just covered it up with some cladding and left it for about 10 years. It completely soaked this kitchen. It was really bad. It was a fine that the builders found when they came in and did the rip out, and it cost us extra money to fix it.
Did indeed. Wasn't great, but they sorted it out. These builders have been pretty good.
Been very good, haven't they?
Yeah, very good.
And then what was wrong with this? There was something here.
So yeah, we had a window here that looked into the main living room, which they've boarded up, which yeah, just didn't really make sense to have that window there.
No, but if you go around that side, you can see the window from that side, because I've still got to board it up through there.
Yeah.
So that was a very strange thing. I didn't like that at all. Kitchen's a lot bigger now. It's huge, got loads of space. Kitchen will run around here, all the way along there, dining table there, and then it leads outside into the back garden, which they've cleaned and tidied up. Put a new fence up there, feathered edge fence. Really happy with the garden.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm really happy with everything at the moment, what we've seen. So from here, we're gonna go upstairs, take a look around the 3 bedrooms and the bathroom and see where they're at. This is the master bedroom, one of 3. It's probably 60 to 70% plastered.
Yeah, still got to plaster the ceiling and the windowsills.
Yes, that's got to be done. They've said that the plastering should be done by next Tuesday, completely finished in the whole house. Again, when Am shows you some B-roll, you can see how cold it is in this house because the plaster's not dried yet. That's because the boiler's been moved and there's no heating in here. Heating should be fixed in 2 days, they're telling me, to get it back on. So hopefully the walls can dry out a little bit quicker to get the painters in, which will be good. What was this room like when we came the first time?
So there was carpet on the floor and some kiddie wallpaper on the walls.
Yeah.
It was pretty empty though, this room.
And I'm sure there was skirting.
Yeah.
I'm sure there was skirting in here. Let's go into the box room. I want to show you that room first, then we'll go into the second bedroom. Hey people, this is a quick message from me to let you know that I teach 3 education programs. I teach the Property Masterclass, the Deal Sourcing Masterclass, and the BRRR Masterclass. Now, these masterclasses entitle you to become a member of the Property Circle. We are the fastest growing property education program in the UK. We have over 150 members in just 8 months. So, if you want to join the Property Circle, it costs £995 for one of my masterclasses. If you are unsure of which way to go in your property journey, fill out the form below and I will personally call you to discuss which way I think you should go and which masterclass you should sign up to. So, enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Signing out.
So guys, this is the box room. If you remember before, it was pretty pink. As you can see now, it's been stripped, it's been PVA, the walls are being prepped, and as Steve said, plastering should all be done by Tuesday, and then liquor paint and carpet, and we should be good to go.
So now we're in the second of the 2 big bedrooms. You've just seen the box room that Sahil was in. This is about 60% plastered. There's still a few things to do.
Yeah, just a little bit to be done, and then under the window, there was some damp there last time, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Which they've prepped and plastered over, ready to be painted.
That's just behind Ams.
Yeah, and then where Steve's standing now, there were some inbuilt cupboards which have been knocked out, which obviously provides a lot more space in this room. Similar size to the main bedroom, actually.
Yeah, so the built-in wardrobes was probably about that far out, probably about a foot and a half, and it went all the way down here. So yeah, so it's opened up this bedroom, very big. We decided not to knock the chimney breast out in this house. One, because money. We didn't want to spend the extra money because obviously it's cost us X amount to do this, which we'll go into detail when we're back at the office. And 2, we're trying to get it done a lot quicker, aren't we? Yeah. Because it's a flip. We have a lot of cash tied up in this property. We want to get it done and we want it on the market before Christmas.
Yeah, fingers crossed if these guys say 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks.
We will have it done. Yeah, so if we can get it on the market before Christmas, I'll be happy. It'll be really good. But again, grey carpet, guys. Walls are being painted white. We've got some single pendants being dropped in, and I'm really happy with the progress so far. I'm going to show you the bathroom now. So now we're in the bathroom. Completely different from the last time you guys will see on the B-roll. Stripped out, first fixed plumbing's done. I'm really excited to see this bathroom. The boiler was on the wall here last time. They've removed the boiler to make it easier for them to work in. So you can see all the pipes there, just behind. Now, I'm actually contemplating putting the boiler in the loft because I don't really want it there, but again, it's down to cost. So we'll see what the builders say when I go back downstairs. Bathroom's gonna be really cool. We're gonna have a shower, going to have a bath, toilet and a sink. The whole thing's gonna be tiled. This is going to look amazing. This is gonna be a really nice feature of the house.
So we're in the hallway now, a little bit left to do in here. The banisters need stripping and repainting. Walls need plastering and painting, and then grey carpets on the floor. It'll be a nice, fresh, modern looking hallway.
So here we are in the garden. This was a complete jungle down here. We have a basement, which is kind of like a dungeon. Yeah. It absolutely stinks of wee as well. What else has been done here?
So fence panels have been put up. The grass has been cleared, weeds stripped out. Now you can actually see the pretty incredible view of the valley.
Yeah, guys, take a look at that view. It is incredible. So we've just wrapped up the first part of the video. We're going to head back to the office now. We're going to run through the numbers, tell you what we spent exactly, break down how we bought the house, what our joint venture consists of, and show you guys what the end value should be on this property. So catch you back at the office. Right guys, We are back in our headquarters after spending the day in the valleys in Wales, checking out our latest renovation that we have going on. It's a joint venture between us at the Property Circle and Sahil. We put £50,000 cash in.
I put £50,000 cash in.
Yes, so the house was 95k, the stamp duty was around 4k, and the legals was around 2k, so the purchase price was around 101. We put 50-50 in. Then we had the renovations, which have come to 34,000, which will appear here, a complete list of what we've had done. We'll actually put the invoice from the builder. We're paying him every 2 weeks. Again, I'm not going to go too deep into that because this isn't what this video is about, but this builder's been amazing.
He's been great. He's been just no bullshit, showing us what's going on every other week.
Updates have been amazing.
Yeah,
literally every day, if not every 2 days, we get an update. So very happy with the builders. Again, I think AMS has put a little tag in for the builders when we was up there today, which is really good because they've been amazing. The reason that we joint ventured with Sahil is because he came on the program, the first one we ever did, and we formed a relationship. It's been about, how long have you known us now?
Since Feb, March.
Yeah, so it's been about 8 months.
Yeah.
We spent a bit of time outside of the Property Circle together, and literally we had a conversation one day and Sahil was like, if there's any joint ventures going, I'm definitely up for one. Our reasoning, like I said, was we formed a great relationship. We get on, we have a relationship outside of property. His banter's not the greatest, but he tries.
I try.
He tries. He gets on with the whole team as well, which is really good. But what are your reasons for joint venturing?
Well, I've wanted to get into property for a few years now and just never had the know-how. And obviously after coming on the course, felt way more confident in doing something. But doing it with you guys has been easier for me. Based in London, it's really difficult to find properties in the Midlands, in Wales, traveling. I'm in full-time work. So having the team here to manage that has just been a blessing. And just the confidence that the numbers are going to work, right? You guys have been doing this for a long time. You have guided me through the process, basically, of like how to work out what to purchase property for, how to look at renovation costs, how to work out the end value of a property, how to find builders, manage renovations. So all of that's just been a learning journey for me. And if I did that on my own, I might have had a bit of support here and there from you guys in the Property Circle, but it wouldn't have been as deep as we're going now with it.
Yeah. So that's his reasons. I've told you my reasons, and we've done it now. We are 5 weeks into the refurb. The refurb will be finished in 3 weeks. So
fingers crossed.
Let's say maybe 5 weeks.
Let's builders exaggerate.
Give them 2 weeks. Like I said in the last video, guys, give them 2 weeks contingency. But these builders are flying, and I mean absolutely flying. It's unbelievable. And once plastering's finished next week, the whole house, that will come together so quick. The kitchen, the bathrooms, painting, it will come together so fast. So yeah, I'm really happy with what's going on there. Now, I've told you we spent 101,000 on the property itself. Then we spent £34,000 on the renovations. So we are at £135,000 that we've spent cash.
Yeah.
The original price of the builder's quote was 30,000, but they hit some things that we, like the bill, what was it, the boiler?
The boiler.
There was some damp.
Yeah.
And there were some damp issues. 2 of the ceilings had issues, and there was some woodwork issues. So we ended up having to pay an extra £4,000. So we have had a few things that we've had to deal with as the renovation has gone on, but it's not been the end of the world.
No, not at all. There's a lot of profit to start with, right? So
yes, there was a lot of profit. So when these little minor hiccups come up, we wasn't too fussed on them. So we spent £135,000 all in, and the end value of this property we know is 170 conservatively, but we're hoping to put it on the market as offers in excess of 180. And with the current market today,
yeah, you never know. It's worth a shot.
Yeah, we have no idea what's going to go on. But £35,000 to £40,000 profit. Are you happy?
Very happy.
I'm very happy.
Yeah, can't complain. Learned a lot in the process as well.
Yeah.
Ready to go again, hopefully, in the new year.
Yes, so £40,000 profit, hopefully. Obviously, we'll have some corporation tax to pay on that. So it's a win-win.
Yeah.
he's got experience. We have shown that the property circle works.
Yeah.
It's fantastic for YouTube. It shows the realness of the property world. There's a lot of people out there that make this sound like it's the most simplest thing ever. It's not. There is a lot of problems. There are a lot of issues. If we was bridging this, or if we was mortgaging it, it would have taken a lot longer.
Well, it's already been a 6-month process with
Yep.
a few hiccups along the way. So.
Yeah, so it could have been a 9-month process.
Yeah.
So, you know, certain things, but this is a cash purchase. We might actually buy one on bridge just to show you guys how that one works as well. If it was on bridge, it would eat into our profits, obviously, guys, because if we was borrowing, say, £70,000, we'd probably be paying around £600 a month.
Yeah.
And if it's a 6-month, there's £3,600 off our profit. So, but we're not going to go into all the numbers like that. We will do a video at the end when the whole renovation's completed and show you guys what we sold the house for. We will show you bank transactions, we will show you purchase papers, invoices, and we will show you complete transparency so you guys can see at home how this exactly works with the figures.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's another video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much to Sahil for joining us.
Pleasure.
It's 7:30 at night and you have a 2.5-hour journey back to London, don't
Yeah,
you?
I'm going to need a coffee on the way back.
He's going to need a coffee on the way back. But yes, if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. We're growing at a ridiculous rate. And turn on your notifications because our weekly now is out every Sunday at 10 AM. So guys, thank you very much and we'll see you in the next video.
Peace.